Hello guys, my name is James. I just wanted to make this video that a few days ago I just realized that I have been screwing up so bad. I was feeling super bad. I didn't know what to do. My girlfriend and family told me that I've been having this type of behavior, a self-destructive behavior, self-sabotaging behavior, and I never understood why. I wanted to change things throughout the time, throughout the years. And I never could understand why, what was wrong with me, even though I have ADHD and autism. But that's not the point. I'm talking about universal. Everybody has problems. Everybody has to deal with their own things daily. That's the moment when my family recommended me a book to read because I had enough and I didn't know what it was. And it was conflicting with my goals, with my life. Every time I had an opportunity to make money, to work, to get better, to break through the threshold, I always created and have created up to this point excuses to get better. But it was until a few days when I started reading this book that my mother recommended me, and it's called Atomic Habits by James Clear. I don't know if you guys have read it, but it has been changing my life. The book talks about how by creating small, tiny habits can totally change your life. Many people out there, they're like, no, I'm 100% good, I'm 100% correct. And little thing they don't know, it's that their own habits are the reason why they're failing. People with ADHD, like me, we tend to overthink things. And that's one of the things that it hurts the most, because when you are trying to have a goal, a business, anything in life, when you have to take responsibility, we people with ADHD, we self-sabotage ourselves because we don't want to go through. We don't want to take responsibility. But I said enough to this. I wanted to share my testimony to people that this book saved my life. And everybody out there who has ADHD or some sort of autism, not just that, but people that are failing in life, and they ask themselves, why am I failing even though I have tried so many things and nothing's happening? I tell you what, the book says that every day you have to put only 1%. Do not care about the results, because the results, they're gonna come by themselves. That's a result of the results. What you guys have to see is the progress that you're making, the little tiny details that nobody cares, that nobody sees, but you do. Imagine a guy who is running a competition, a marathon, and the only goal and result is to win that competition. But what happens when that guy wins the marathon? What happens the next week, the next month? Is he already quitting? Is he already becoming complacent, lazy, not training anymore? So it's better to become the best athlete and win this race, marathon, whatever you guys have, or as a result of you being an athlete. And this translates to anything in life. For example, 2 weeks ago, guys, I played in Germany with my group. I never said to myself, no, I just want to play that show and quit being a musician. No, I am a musician. And when you start practicing habits daily and daily and daily, you become that, what you are, what you think. But that's my testimony, guys. I'm still working on it, and I wanted to share my progress. I'll be actually posting progress of getting better. I know that there's a lot of people out there with ADHD that they're sad, they don't know what to do, they overthink all day, and then they feel like they're stuck. Even though they said, I'm going to change, and they do it for a few days, 2 or 3 days, and they still fail. That's because they forget to put the 1% throughout the time, and they only see the results just to get the dopamine or the good result out of it, and they forget about it. It's something that you guys have to practice and must practice. That concludes my video today. Thank you very much, and I hope that you guys like it, and I will be making more videos about ADHD, autism, and habits, so I can help you guys mentally. Thank you, guys.